Hello, this is Emma from 1111 New York. I'd like to introduce Patek Philippe Aquanet chronograph watch in stainless steel. The exact reference number is REF 5968A-001. The Patek Philippe Aquanet releases its first chronograph that matches the character of this youthful and dynamic timepiece line. It is constructed with a self-winding flyback chronograph movement and characterized by orange chronograph display contrasting against the black dial. This watch has a sporty style that is young and modern, causing a great sensation. With the sporty and simple design, it has a black embossed dial with gold applied numerals and luminescent hour markers. It is designed with orange chronograph with a 60-minute counter display contrasting against the black dial. It has a central chronograph hand. There are minute markers on the outer rim of the dial. The date aperture is situated at the 3 o'clock position, and the Patek Philippe logo is situated at the 12 o'clock position. It has the classic Aquanet brush bezel contrasting with its polished beveled edges and shows the high level of finishing on the timepiece. This watch is designed in a globe-like style of the world map. It features Arabic numbers that are extremely legible. With the round, octagonal case inspired by the Gerald Genta's design Nautilus collection, it has the softer edges combined with the curved round shape of the large case. The hallmark of the Patek Philippe seal is on the screw-down crown and has the scratch-proof sapphire crystal caseback. It has a steel case with dimensions of 42.2 millimeters and a height of 11.9 millimeters. Its functions include the date, hour, and minute. The movement of this watch is caliber CH28-520C in the flyback chronograph. It is a self-winding movement. The diameter of the movement is 30 millimeters and the height is 6.63 millimeters. It consists of 32 jewels, 14 bridges, and composed of 308 parts. It has a 21K gold center rotor. With the Gyromax balance spring, it vibrates at 28,800 per hour. The balance spring is Spiromax. It has the hallmark of Patek Philippe seal. The water resistance is 120 meters and the power reserve time is 35 hours to 45 hours. The bracelet is a strap in an orange composite material with the Aquanet fold-over clasps. It is designed with the contours of the strap to match precisely with the curvatures of the case. It is carefully designed to make the curves of the strap extremely comfortable, giving it a perfect and nice finish. The texture of the strap mirrors the pattern of the dial to create a sense of continuity, and therefore the strap stands out impressively. The structure is refined with flat sides, accentuating the watch's sportier nature and improved taper for a more contoured fit on the wrist. On the underside, you will find the Aquanet double deployment clasp with the polished Patek Philippe Calatrava cross logo on it. It comes with two straps, one orange, one black, in an ultra-resistance composite material. The price is $49,680 as of October 2021. There's a premium fee, so the actual purchase price is higher. Overall, the Patek Philippe Aquanet 5968A is an incredibly well-made and useful watch. With the light stainless steel material, it is very comfortable to wear and recommended as an everyday watch in the Patek Philippe collection. It's functional, practical, easy to use, and looks great. There are other models in white gold with various colors of the dial and straps. Lastly, it is one of the most desirable luxury sports watches on the market. This video was a review of Patek Philippe 5968A Aquanet chronograph watch in stainless steel. For more inquiries about this watch, please contact us below. Please tap the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is Emma from 1111 New York. Thanks for watching.